Pamela from WA, how did you go? Look at this. I'm so proud of your efforts. Look at this. You've got a sister-in-law who paints who's been to me before, Karen Grabbar. Hello, Karen.
Yes,
but look at what your sister-in-law is painting. And had you painted before?
I have done some painting before, not a lot, only for a year and a bit, perhaps.
Yeah, a bit of abstract, were you saying?
Pardon?
A bit of abstract painting, you were saying?
A bit of abstract, a bit of landscape, seascape, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
A lot of frustration. A lot of trying different things.
Yeah.
But now I have a whole new confidence and a whole new way of painting. So the courage to attack something like this on a canvas this size, with the method to follow, it's doable. A lot of hard work if you come to the course. It's not a holiday.
Not a holiday.
Not a holiday, but if you put the work in, you get the results.
And did you get some nice lunches as well?
Oh, fabulous lunches. Gorgeous, whole new group of friends that I have, and your knowledge is way beyond expectations, and congratulations on all your programs. It's just brilliant.
Thank you, darling.
I'm ecstatic. Thank you very much.
You're a sweetie, and it was an emotional moment when that cream rose came together.
It was
wonderful.
A little tear was shed.
Well, I think it was because it was everything you wanted it to be, and there was a point where it wasn't, and then suddenly it was. You got past that with the method and able to apply some techniques, and I saw that painting just pop. It was just wonderful. Well done, you. I'm so proud.
Thank you.
I hope to see you again.
Me too.